Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Klaviyo emails. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video. And that is, how do you embed or add a video from your YouTube in your Klaviyo email? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved. So be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to put a YouTube video into your Klaviyo email anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business and video is a part of that, sharing your YouTube channel can grow your audience. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Klaviyo account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Klaviyo account and this is the home screen. Now, in order for this to work, you do need your YouTube video link. Now, I want to let you know that you can grab your YouTube video link or actually anybody's YouTube video link and share it in your Klaviyo email as long as they have the share feature turned on. So I pulled up one of my videos right here. So here's my video, and all you want to do is find the video on YouTube, scroll down and click on share. Once you click on share, you're going to go ahead and copy the link right here. Okay, now we're done in YouTube. The rest will be handled in Klaviyo. Okay, now the next thing you need to do in order to add a YouTube video into your Klaviyo email is you need to find the email. So if it's in your campaigns, you can go there. Campaigns is when you're sending out one-off emails. Flows is your email follow-up or email funnels. So if you have one of those emails you want to add the YouTube video in, you'll go in there. And then lastly, you can go here to templates, which is where I'm going to go. It doesn't really matter. You just need to find the email that you want to add the YouTube video into. So I have this one right here. And then you want to go ahead and click on the three dots and edit the email in your Klaviyo. Okay, guys, so here is my email template. So we're in the email editor for Klaviyo. Now what we're going to do is here on the left, make sure that you clicked on content and then clicked on default, and then you'll see these different blocks here. Now what you want to do is grab this one that says video. It's down on the bottom left, and you just grab it, and as you can see, move it around and just drag it to the area that you want your YouTube video to show up. So maybe I want it in between these social links, and you can see this blue dotted line that's showing you where it's going to drop. So we just let go and it drops right in there. Okay, now as you can see, all you're going to do is click on the video placeholder, and then here on the left, it's going to open up this editor. So click here on video URL. This is where you're going to paste your YouTube video URL. Okay, pasted it in, and then down here you can go ahead and kind of adjust the video player settings if you want. I'm not going to do that because to me this looks fine. You can add an alt text on there if you want. All right, so now we have our YouTube video in our Klaviyo email, and you can click on preview and see what it's going to look like. That's what it looks like, and I'm going to click on done, and then we'll just exit. And the cool thing about Klaviyo, it just automatically saves it. So now we've added our YouTube video into our email in Klaviyo. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add a YouTube video into your Klaviyo email, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.